How did you outsmart an entire room of people? When I was in law school, something crazy happened during our mock trial exam, the one that basically determines which big firms look at your resume. Our professor was using her laptop to present case files on the big screen. Here's where it got weird. Every time she switched slides, her grading rubric would flash for a split second. You could literally see all the winning arguments we were supposed to make. At first, everyone just exchanged nervous glances. Then, as presentation started, each student began nailing every point from that rubric, barely bothering to reword it. The tension in the room was insane, but our professor just kept writing in her notebook, like nothing was happening. I was getting ready for my turn when I noticed something odd. The last point on her rubric simply said, "Interpretation may differ." When the first person actually said those exact words in their closing, I thought it was a coincidence. Then a second person said it. Then a third. The next class, our professor walked in looking unusually serious. She explained how the screen glitches were completely intentional. Everyone who had copied the rubric failed automatically. When she handed back our grades, I saw a 94 on mine. Looking around the room, I caught eyes with just one other person who was smiling. We were the only ones who had trusted our own legal reasoning.